To cut a long story short, the engine fault repair needed error message is something like the check engine light in your car. In a lot of cases, you will be able to spot the reason for this message by looking into the emission system, engine sensors, or AdBlue system, but there is one thing you should check first. And this is the battery. About half of all cases when people come to the dealership with the engine fault repair needed message are about dying 12-volt batteries. In most cars they are AGM, and once they start malfunctioning they need to be replaced. You may also try to charge such a battery with an appropriate battery tender, especially if it's younger than 3 years old. It's very common to see this message as a ghost. You see it right when you start the engine, then you may also see other lights and warnings like the EPS lights, brake system warning lights, and some random error messages, but once you restart the vehicle, these issues disappear and your car may continue working normally. Just check the battery in this case prior to paying your money for dozens of inspections in the dealership. Also, this message may be triggered by the issues with fuel combustion. If your engine misfires due to bad plugs or a certain sensor is faulty, you may see the engine fault repair needed message. But in these cases, it's easy to diagnose the problem. Once you hook up a good scanner tool, you will obviously see the actual problem. Also, AdBlue related issues are very common for this message. In some cases, the AdBlue pump will need replacement, but don't invest in this before you're sure this is the reason for the error message. I've written several articles about this message in my blog, so I will give you the links in the description for further research. Now, a couple of words about the cars that are prone to this message. These are primarily Peugeot and Citroen vehicles in Europe with various diesel engines. Also, Vauxhall and Opel cars that started using Peugeot engines recently may throw this message. What surprised me a lot is that the Toyota Pro Ace can throw the engine fault repair needed message, and when I researched a little more, I found out that the Pro Ace uses Peugeot engines in Europe and is basically the twin of Peugeot Citroen vans like the Traveller or the Jumpy. Apparently they share this software and hence have the same error messages. So whatever vehicle you have, if you see the engine fault repair needed, start with the battery and then go on to check the AdBlue system, engine sensors and misfiring.